All right, we at the spot. They over here. That's hilarious. We got a Lexus, all bruised and beat up. We about to put the intake on, putting the intake manifold. We're taking that out. Honestly, it shouldn't even be that hard because you're just taking stuff apart, to be honest. You gotta unclip all of these. The only thing that's hard is that hose right here. This hose in the back. This joint right here. That one right there. That's the only thing that's gonna be hard. This is how it looks now as it sits because we still have to put this section back on. That's over there. And this is the new one. Good morning, good morning. We got a Lexus. I don't know what day this is in the videos that I've strung together, but let's get a cold start. Let's do something I like. Definitely has some extra attitude. I can't wait for the headers to come now. And speaking of headers, I'm getting a whole lot of issues with these people, bro. If it's not fitment, it's RR Racing. Because I tried to contact them about getting another tune for the manifolds and the headers that are going to go on the car. Now, obviously, the manifolds are already on the car. But like I said, I'm getting headers. Would think you would need another tune. Now, they explained that I won't need another tune because their tune has other maps that allow the car to adapt to whatever you throw on it. Now, that's cool. That's only exclusive to Lexus, I think. I don't know. But for like normal people, like say if you have a Mustang, you can't do that. You get anything, you need a tune with it. You want to get an intake manifold, you probably need a tune. Not always. If you need a coder intake, you definitely need a tune. If you get headers, you definitely need a tune. So that's why I was a little confused, because I'm just like, how would I not need a tune for headers? And obviously, you guys know I've already been tuned. So I was thinking that with all the other stuff I'm throwing on there, I would expect I need a tune. They say no. All right, cool. But then I throw in the manifold and I tell them that I'm putting on a manifold, and like they tell me that that manifold isn't going to help me get any more power. What do you mean? Like, what do you mean? You serious? All right, so we're on the way to get some food. I still got some of the stuff in the car. I just took the heavy parts out, like my jack and my tool bag. I still got that thing. I still got that on me. But I just want to show y'all like what regular driving is like first. And later in the video, I'm gonna show y'all like car completely empty. I'm gonna give it the beans. All right, I'm gonna go head on into it, go a little bit more aggressive throttle, but like it's very responsive. Like I'm doing. I'm not gonna say what I'm doing, but it definitely is responsive for real. Like I can just. I like that a lot. And it's ported. Goodness gracious, I cannot talk today, bro. The intake manifolds are ported, but it's not like aggressive. It's not as aggressive as I thought. Now, dude did do a great job with the ports because they all like matched up evenly and they're all very clean. But like I've seen like some of his work, and like some of them is just, unless the pictures, it was just the angles and I'm just tripping. But some of them are like deep ports. I'm thinking like he's opening them up like a good bit, but it was just the angles, I guess. But nonetheless, it works the same. Like it very responsive. I can feel it making like a little bit more power. I'm not gonna exaggerate and say like I got like 30 horsepower out of this. I did not. But it's definitely noticeable. It's noticeable power, and that's what we want. So that's good. All right, man, we just finished getting some food. Now I'm about to go to the gym, and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more aggressive regular driving on the way there, because I want y'all to get like a better picture of like the difference. Even though it's hard to pick up on video, like you just have to see it in person or be in the wheel to understand. Playing with the throttle so I can get a feel of how hard I'm going, because usually getting up that fast is like 40%, 50% throttle, but I don't, that's barely like 10%. All right, that's 50%. That's like 25. That's more like 10. That's more like 40-ish, 50. This thing, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Y'all want some free horsepower? Because this is not something y'all have to pay for. Well, I lied. You do have to pay a little bit extra for it, because I didn't send my I don't know why that's so hard to say. I did not send my intake manifolds out to this guy to get them ported. I had him source some out so he can port them himself and just send them down to me. So I have 2 ported manifolds right now. No, I have 2 intake manifolds right now. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's early in the morning and I'm really just saying things at this point. I'm just saying stuff. But yeah, this thing gets up. It's very much more noticeable. This is my exit. But yeah, man, excuse me. I don't know how long this video is, but I'm gonna wrap it up here. And the next video, I'm going to do a proper video with this manifold, because this is low-key kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit more juice added into what's already thrown on the car. So I'm gonna get back at y'all. I'm going to see y'all later. I'm gonna go work out real quick. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.